Okay, guys, we are here at Rose City Comic Con, and I got a bit of an unboxing video to do here. There's Trisha wearing a Pink Ranger shirt. But anyway, speaking of Power Rangers, I even got my Burai shirt, Dragon Ranger, right? But anyway, speaking of Power Rangers, full box. This Power Ranger mystery box, and I've already seen what's inside of it, but I want to show you guys and just kind of show my reactions. So let's get this open. All right, so first thing we got is a lanyard, got the lightning bolt right there. Got one side's got all the Rangers, the other side got the power coins. And then, take it. Alright, see, then we got Green Ranger mug. There we go. And then coasters. Oh yeah, shot glasses. So, let's just say my apartment's gonna be decorated with this stuff later on. But anyway, that's all for this video. Yeah, it's worth it.